Hey guys, it's me, Hugo, Mr. Hugo Boss, and I'm back with a little video for you guys. Yeah, I made melon farms. Yeah, I want to show them to you guys with a lever, and you have a fucking shitload of melons. Who doesn't like melons? I like them. Yee. Yeah, this is how it works. Here, it's just a sticky piston with dirt, a melon above it, and it breaks. This is my less favorite one, but I made it as well. Just normal pistons push the melons off, and they should be taken by the water, but it doesn't work properly as it would be. This is my favorite one, the melon squisher. You just push the button, the sticky pistons push the glow stone down, and they squish your melons. Well, I'll show you how this works either. Just put the melon there, climb, up. Whoop, and it's gone. Yeah, I thought it was pretty awesome. Yeah, guys, thank you for watching. It's Mr. Hugo Boss signing out.